morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe, and if you've been here for the past few videos, welcome back. In today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, I will be doing a little Sunday reset. Don't mind how I look right now. I haven't washed my face or did anything yet. I'm currently in the process of cleaning. I'm currently cleaning my bathroom. That's Ajax on the walls. After I clean, I'm gonna hop in the shower, wash my face, brush my teeth, and then I'm gonna make me some breakfast. I do have a couple of packages coming from Amazon later. I wanted to do laundry today, but I don't have a laundry cart. I ordered one off Amazon, which is supposed to be coming today, but y'all, it is freaking pouring outside. So I think that's gonna delay my package. That's just how my Sunday is gonna go. It's pouring outside. I'm actually loving the rain today. I get to just stay in, relax, you know, clean, eat as much food as I want. I might find a new show to watch. If you guys have show ideas on Netflix, definitely drop them down below in the comments, because I need a new show to watch. Like, ever since I've watched Wentworth, which was like almost a year ago, it's been like almost 2 years, I haven't found a good show. So if you guys know any good Netflix shows, drop them down below in the comments and I'll check it out, because I be in the house bored as I need to look forward to something to watch every time I come home from work. But anyways, enough of me talking. Let's get straight into the video. Bye. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town. My bathroom is now clean. I'm so excited. Like, I feel like I accomplished something today. Let me put the mat back down. The floors are still just a little wet. Right now, I am sweaty as fuck. So I'm about to get in a shower, cool down a little bit. I think I'm gonna cook breakfast and then open my packages. Or open my packages and then cook breakfast. But I'm extremely hungry right now. So yeah, I'm gonna cook breakfast and then open my packages. I did want to start cleaning my living room. It's not dirty, but I do have a lot of things like out of place, a lot of packages that's left open. Then I have these packages to put away. I opened this. I don't know how to assemble it. This is my vanity mirror, and I would say this is a secret package. I don't know what's in it. I ordered a lot of things. Now I'm about to just freshen up a little bit because I'm hot, I'm sweaty, like my hair is puffing up. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm done. I feel so refreshed. I was so hot, but I didn't eat all day, and it's currently 1:45. I actually should be eating lunch right now, but I didn't have breakfast. So I'm gonna make me some breakfast and maybe order lunch a little later in the day. So I'm about to make some breakfast right now. I found myself being back on a diet, guys. So I'm not gonna make a lot of breakfast. I do have pancakes. I usually make me 3, but today I feel like I only want 1, because I'm not as hungry as I should be, even though I didn't eat all day. I'm only gonna eat 1 egg. I might put on about 2 bacons and make me 1 pancake. I usually make my pancake first. I actually didn't need this much because I'm only using 1. I only put a little bit, y'all. It'll be expiring soon. What's this? It's still good. It still smells good, but it expires on the 22nd. Today's the 16th. Just go ahead and mix that one up. I need more milk. So let's throw these in a pan and get to cooking, because I'm getting hungry. When it comes to my pancakes, I love crispy edges. So if your pancakes don't have crispy edges, I don't want it. So to get crispy edges, the trick is making sure your oil is like around the pancake. And I promise you, your pancake gonna have some crispy edges. Yeah, yeah.
I think I'm at the age now where I don't scramble my eggs anymore. Well, I do when I feel like it, but I prefer my eggs. I don't know what it's called, but I literally prefer them like this now. So if I eat my eggs like this, I don't want no cheese on my eggs. So this is my breakfast, something calm, not too much. Let me add some syrup. So I am done eating. Let's open some packages. Now, I think this is my cart. If this is my cart, I'm gonna have to do laundry today. I love ordering packages off Amazon because when it finally comes, it's like a gift from me to me. Anybody else feel like that? Y'all, this thing is so heavy and it's not even that big. So pretty. But this carpet is so big. Whew. I don't know if I wanted it this big, but I love it. Damn, this is big. Y'all, my carpet, no wonder why this was damn near $100. Because the carpet in my room is way smaller. It's like half of this and it was not. It's my carpet. I'm excited. Like, I finally feel like my house is coming together. Now I can take off my shoes. Whew, it feels so good. Let's track my other packages because I actually thought that was my shopping cart. Thank God it wasn't, because honestly, if that was my shopping cart, I would have had to finish vlogging and run to the laundromat because I do need to do laundry. Yeah, let's check. It's a lot of things that... Ooh, I ordered 2 bar stools. I don't know why. I have no bars in my house, but I think that's a surprise on why I ordered the bar stools. But I might put 1 bar stool in the kitchen and keep 1 in my room for now. But my shopping cart comes by the end of today. Let's see if it's out for delivery. Also have been ordering some groceries. So that is the end of today's video. I'm actually about to find a show on Netflix to watch now. Take a nap because I am tired. I've been up since about 8 a.m. Cleaning and cooking and unboxing a few packages. So that's the end of today's Sunday's reset. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you guys can be notified every time that I post. And I'll see you guys in my next video.
Okay, bye, God.